There's 12 of us in the room. 1 in 4 adults has a mental health disorder that requires external support, be it coping strategies, medication, psychiatric help, therapy, anything of that. And I said, there's 12 of us in here. That means at least 3 of us in this room have a mental health disorder that you may not be able to, be willing to talk about. And I said, I have anxiety. I take anxiety meds every single day. I said, but I'm also raising 2 children that, have a lot of the same tendencies that I do. I said, close your eyes. I said, how many of you in here have a mental health disorder or you suffer from anxiety, depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, some PTSD, all of that stuff? And it was more than 3 people out of 12 that raised their hands. And I'm like, it's not if we're gonna work with these children, it's when.